We have to derive the day, month, and year from the given dates. If data is short like 1 or 2, it's easy to do manually. But what if we have a large amount of data like hundreds or thousands of data? To do that work, will you do it manually, one by one? Of course not. It will take your whole day to complete. But don't worry, I have shortcuts to derive day, months, and year from the given dates to complete this task in just a few seconds. Let me delete these values, because we are going to use some functions to derive day from the given date. We are going to use the text function to find which day falls on the given date. Within the text function, select the date. Now for the day, we are going to use DDDD as format text. Now the day has been driven from the given date. The same process will do for the month and year. But we use MMMM and YYYY as text format for the month and year respectively. Now drag these formulas down.
If you like this video, please subscribe and keep your support.